in hands, gon' turn your bro to dolphin.
Yeah.
This bitch wanna be my wife, can't go for shit. Better sign these prenups. Those sluts don't waste no time, come ride that shit. Hop off, get clean up.
Hey man, fuck going on YouTube, your boy Joe man, motherfucking Runts in this bitch. Hey, I got a gang with me today, bro. Bro, you know young nigga getting old. Young niggas officially 18, so I gotta get that motherfucking stick, boy. That oh my god. Go on now. Hey, but we currently at fucking KSU. Like, we at KSU, bro.
I don't reside here.
I reside here.
It's that bullshit.
Yeah, bro.
You feel me? Hey, the thing about this shit is I think right damn. It's me. YouTube don't copyright. This is a BB gun. Oh shit. You feels me, you feel
oh,
me.
Shit.
You feel me.
Yo, all my partners getting money, you feel me?
I'm telling you, bro, these KSU niggas are having, bro. What the fuck? Everywhere you look, nigga, it's some fucking geek shit. Everywhere you fucking look, it's some geek shit. These young niggas are having, bro. This is shit I like to see, goddamn. This is the fuck I like to see. Fuck I like to see. They go fin. Like, nigga got a brown rap Volks. Look at you on there. You feel me? We about to pull up to the gun range, you feel me? Gotta go get the goddamn, feel me? Drive safe, don't drive dangerous. Keep going your life. If y'all watching this video, nigga, like, comment, and motherfucking subscribe. This video finna get, not nothing crazy, but it's finna get wicked. And subscribe to my second channel, Dr. Joe, man. You gonna see that bitch, but I'm going inside, go get the blick. I ain't gonna show y'all it until I get back home or in the car, but I'm not gonna record in there. So I see y'all boys, let's do it. Y'all boys, I missed the fucking turn, so we just walk in there. Minivan, hit that hoe in, girl. Hit that hoe in, girl. Oh, she like, who the fuck I'm recording? Yeah, boy, my mic plugged out right now, but hey, what's that range? That's a revolver.
I feel like blowing this bitch.
When you don't want to record, just give him a little montage.
Lost in the side.
Get a review. What it tastes like, man. We got that. Hey, you feel me? Y'all boys, we got y'all boy can't even see, we just eating. Y'all boy, niggas, yeah, you feel me? Hey,
I would move like yo.
you know, I just picked up the fucking stick. It's in my hand, bro. I can't wait to show y'all this. We got some shit we finna do. I'm finna hit y'all when I'm back at the fire, nigga. Let's do it. The motherfucking go with your man, motherfucking Runts. You see what I'm saying? Let's do it. Yo, y'all boy, you feel me? Hey, we at the Runts though, man. You feel me? And we got that, got that shit on me. You feel me? Hey, now it's officially time to unbox this video. Y'all boy ready?
Already.
Do it, man. Hey, look. Y'all seen it first, bro. This video is just showing a gun that's added to the collection. We are all over 21. We legally own this. YouTube do not copyright, do not demonetize me. Love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Do we just come out? Oh shit. Hey, fuck.
I'm scared of that guy.
Throw that shit. Hey, let's unbox. You feel me? Take our time. You feel me? Take our time.
I'm waiting.
First, you feel me? We got the magazines. You know what I'm saying? Damn, come on, man. Cool. This not no 20 round. This not no 30 round. This not no 40 round. This not no 50 round. These motherfuckers 60. Ooh, shit. Y'all boys, this is thick. Oh, man. 60. Ooh, 60. Ooh, my heart that feel. When bullets are in here, bro, they gonna be side by side like this.
Damn, green too. 5.56 with a flip too.
This is what I really want to unbox for real. Fucking sight. My boys. Oh shit. Got the instructions and shit cleaning. I'm gonna show y'all boys. Shit.
That boy got Call of Duty.
Well, here go the red dot, y'all boys. Oh, that junk look crazy. Yo, move. Right. Oh shit. Yeah, but we need a battery for like for the shit that you feel me. But y'all see the red dot. Yo, on to the you feel me, big boy. No scissors needed. God damn. Nigga, I got a whole lock for my shit, you feel me? You think you about to use this? Lock, nigga. Key. Gun lube, you feel me? You always gotta lube before you put it in the hole. Huh?
What the fuck?
Free Diddy. Huh?
Oh.
I don't know. Why am I angry right with that? Oh, shit. Yo, boy. Look at the fucking stick, bro.
Oh my god.
That bit clean. Yo,
God,
this
that
is
bit clean. I like the green on that bit.
green. Oh, shit. Yo, before even any cutbacks or anything, yeah, that bit.
Damn.
Yo.
Man, this is crazy, bro.
Yo. She crazy, but.
They got some weight to it.
Look at that. Damn, that no time. Damn. You feel me?
Bro, this shit is fat as hell.
Nigga.
Oh my god.
Yo, let somebody. Uber, fit that bit, Uber. Yo, good thing.
I've been waiting for this shit. Oh my. Shit, bro. Put that red gun on it.
How it feel? Hey, y'all boys, we got the cleaning kit, you feel me? And the oil. If y'all want to see me clean it up, oil it up, then lubricate it, Vaseline, tough. Hit subscribe to my second channel, Dr. Joe Man. You feels me?
That's that group AR shit.
Man, they did tough, bro. They bit took. And I'm. You see that? See that? You see that? I put switch on the back of the bit.
Hey,